Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in here to this channel. Yeah. This is a DIY channel, but I'm doing lots of unboxing here. So anyway, I'm not able to make videos of what DIYs that I'm doing, but I will be making lots of DIY videos also. This channel is not only for DIY but DIY and unboxing. Okay, so thumbs up. Anyway, today we're gonna take a look at this one here, which again, oh yeah, I haven't opened this one yet, so this is not open. Okay, this is totally back. So let's open this. How do we open this? Well, that's enough. Here we go. Pull it out. Cha! Okay, so this is the converter here. Okay, um, let me show you, and let me see too. Okay, this is the converter here. This is for my hero tree. Okay, so I have a lot of microphone like this kind of microphone. Okay, but the other end, this is the mic here. Okay, this is the mic, very cheap one. Okay, but still works. Okay, and then but the other end is like this. Okay, where how to the other end is like this. So I bought this one here. I'm gonna put it in here this way. Oh, what is that? Okay, okay, I'm gonna put it in like this and then use my GoPro. There we go. I've got another mic from my GoPro also, which I made a video, but I bought it anyway. So I'm gonna stick this in here this way, and the converter and the mic is here. This is how I'm gonna use, but this one is gonna be like my backup. Okay, if the other microphone which I bought from my GoPro gets you know gets spoiled or maybe stop working, whatever, then until I get another one, I'll be using like this. So this is for my backup. Okay, so that's all about it, guys. This is how I'm gonna use this uh, camera and the mic together. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next